Namaste children, my name is Bhavna and I am your English teacher. Dear children, today we will learn some basic activities that will help us to improve the speaking skills. So, let's start the session. Children, today we will learn about the speaking skills. Speaking skills are the most important skills amongst all the four language skills. Because with the help of speaking skills we are able to improve our basic communication, and we are able to communicate and deliver our thoughts, emotions and ideas to the other person. So this is the session on speaking skills part 1. In this session we will learn that how to improve the basic speaking skills. First of all, let's see what we have. Dialogue conversation. So children, look at the following talking images carefully and try to figure out which dialogues are the persons in the picture supposed to speak. Make your own dialogues and write them in the notebook. Children, I'll be showing you some images, talking images. You have to tell or you have to think what are they supposed to speak. You have to make your own dialogues by your thinking and then write them in your notebook. Let's see the first image. First image is, I can see 3 people in this image, 2 men and 1 woman. And 2 persons are sitting and 1 man is standing with a paper in his hand. So make your own dialogue and tell what are they talking about or what are they discussing about. Let's see the next image. Image 2. Say, what are they talking about? I can see 2 ladies in this picture. And 1 lady is having a clipboard in her hand. So just imagine and tell what are they talking about. Write the dialogues in your notebook. Let's see the third image. Image 3, say what are they thinking about. I can see 2 people in this image, 1 girl and 1 man, and the man is trying to write something on the piece of paper. So think and write what are they thinking about. Make your own dialogue. Next image. Image 4. What do you think are they talking about? I can see 2 men in this image, and you just think and make your dialogue and try to figure out what are they thinking in this image. Image 5. I can see 5 people in this image, in which 2 are women and 3 are men. And I can see other things on the table as well. Like, I guess they are discussing something about their project. So look at these images carefully, children, and write your dialogues in the notebook and converse them with your parents also. Whatever you are going to write, converse the dialogues with your parents also, so that it will improve your speaking skills. So children, till then, take care. See you in the next session. Thank you.